Hello and welcome back. We are on day 5 of our advent calendar from Scraps of Love. Let's see what goodies are in store for us here. I absolutely love these numbers. I'm wondering, they remind me of an Elizabeth Craft die, so I'm wondering if that's what these are. I'm trying to keep them so I can add them to my scrapbook. So trying to be gentle. I like to do a December daily, so we'll see if I can get those numbers and add it. Ooh! Save $5 off your purchase from December 10th to the 24th. So if I go into the store, I get a $5 off coupon. I love that. And then we'll see if I can salvage this day 5. Oh, be gentle. Maybe not. All the other ones were just taped on, so it was really easy. This one looks like it was glued on, so fingers crossed. Oh, I was able to do it. Yay!